Okay guys, welcome back. As I promised, we were going to learn what this thing do. Okay, in the neural network is different from the regression classification that we do in the previous lesson, that we must tell what and how our neural network architecture is. Okay, this is the comment that we know what to, and we are not going to give it a lesson about how we do it. We are just gonna learn what this line say. We create a network and use MLPRegressor command, and then we say max iter. Max iter is a time that our training, our model run. For example, if we put the max iter to 100, the model is gonna run 100 times. And if we give it 1000, the model is gonna run 1000 times. What verbs do? I don't know really well, but we can search. Oh, we can see in MLPRegressor what verbs do. It has, I find everything from here. Let's go to find the verbs and see what it do. I don't know exactly. I'm to print progress message or not. Let's make it default. It doesn't print this thing here. Let me cut it for you to see. If we cut it and then run it, it doesn't give us the running progress, but I like it. It's kind of beautiful. It's thing like that the model is running perfectly. Okay, the hidden layer size. What it tells us how many layers that our model have. I some kind of learn that read that somewhere. I don't really know where, but it says that the layer size it must be your data size divided by 3. For example, here is 100 our data size, we give it 30. And the important thing is, one of this is the layer size and another one is how many hidden layers we have. Let's go and see where is the hidden layer. Okay, n hidden layer size, this is the thing we use. The number of neurons in the ith element represent the number of neurons in the each hidden layer. Default is 100. N layers. Okay, let's make it, for example, 6 and 6. I think I do something stupid. Again, 6 and 6. Let's run it. As you can see, the model is learning faster. But we want to make the loss low. Let's see. As you can see, the model is learning very, very fast. But we have the problem. The loss isn't dropping as well as we thought. And it says us we must change our hidden layer size. Okay, let's change it by 106. I think it's gonna crash. Okay, let's stop it for now and run it again. Okay, as you can see, if we added the layers, the loss is decreasing very, very well. And what toll mean? The toll is the difference from what it mean. These losses you can see, if this loss different and this loss difference is lower than this toll, the program stopped. Let's run it and run it. Okay, as you can see, after the tolerance of after 10 epochs, the program ended. We must make it bigger for the program to learn. What learning rate means? You know also learning depth means. This learning rate is a not good one. Let's change it. By changing the learning rate, you can see the answers are getting better. We get some good losses and we can use it. Okay, and in another lesson I will give you what this line do and end this project. Have a good day until then.